everyone, this is Melissa from Sunshine Packing Way. Welcome to follow my video collection. Melissa talk about cake box. As we know, Sunshine is focused on the cake box. But you didn't know like that. Sunshine is not only focused on the cake box. We also have a range of product of the cookie balls, the dessert balls, and the macaron balls, and the different boxes. As all around the bakery, we can do that. So today, the collection we are talking about the dessert box is the cookie box. Ta-da! You can see. So as we can see, the cookie balls are different with the cake balls. As we see that the product height is not so higher than the cake box, and also we have like a small tiny, which is makes the boxes is more beautiful and attractive. So today we have like 4 different structure of the cookie balls. The first one is like this one. We have the cookie balls, the lid and the box is separated, which is very easy for you, like to put the case in, put the cookie in, and you just plug the lids. It's very easy, and also in flat packing, which can save your shipping cost. And we see we have different colors, like the white color, also this one, the gold printing color, and the silver one, and also have more collection about this, different sizes and different colors. For this one, we have a lot of customers ordering this because it can be in different situations for the cookie, different cookie and different size. You can put in different boxes. The second type what we have is like this, is the draw design, like this. You see, like the macaron box, and also this the total PET window, like this one. We will have a flint, you see, to protect the PET, which makes when you receive the boxes, you just have to like move the flint, which you can see the boxes is very clear and clean, which is makes your product to protect the product. This one, and this one is bigger. The one too also have the draw design. This one too. And the third design and the fourth design is also like is the one piece, as we see. This one, the lid and the box is together. You just open it, and you can put some sharp paper, which is you also have the sharp paper. You just put it. Okay, let's put it together. Okay, you just put some sharper paper. Yeah, and then you put some cookie, biscuit, and in here. You just have to close it. See, it's very easy and very convenient for you to pack the cookies. And this one, see, it's the Christmas theme. This one is really popular. Last year we did sell a lot, and every year we will have a different design and different picture for the Christmas. So if you following with us, you will know each year our Christmas collection, we will have different design and different pattern for the Christmas. This one is also too, and you can see it's very beautiful and attractive. And then I'm so like the tiny things. You see, it's the Christmas. You come in, you put the biscuit as a gift to your friends, to your family, which is so nice. You think it's really nice. So as we see, all the boxes, we have different size and different design to make, also different color. And this one is the macaron color, which is very popular now, the green color, and also the silver gold, and the different structure, different color printing, and you can also customize different logo, which is can make the boxes in a range design to make it. So if you have any idea or you have like something suddenly have in your mind, you want to make different boxes, you can come to with Sunshine. We can have the design team and the production team to follow your idea to make the boxes come true. So we sincerely welcome you to visit our website or following our YouTube or LinkedIn. Then you have more idea about what Sunshine do and what the box is. And also you can contact me for more samples, okay? So today the cookie box, we have a brief idea about this. Should you have any inquiries, just contact me directly from the damn side, the contact details, okay? So here we are. This is Melissa from Sunshine Packing Way. Keep following me. Next video we will talk about more boxes like the handle boxes and the corrugated boxes. Just follow me with me, okay? So bye bye. Sunshine Packing Way. Happy on the way.